This is Vivo T1 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, you will need to download the Caffeine app from the Play Store, so let me quickly do that. So the app that we are looking for is this one, Caffeine Keep the Screen On from Caffeine Developer. So install the app, which will take just a few seconds or so. Then once the app is ready, you will need to go ahead and launch it. In here, make sure that the timeout parameter was set at the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app remains active in the background, so make sure not to turn it off or close the app, your screen will not automatically turn itself off. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.